In 2025, the United States took a bold step into the future of aerial warfare with the unveiling of its sixth-generation fighter jet, the F-47, developed under the Next Generation Air Dominance Program, commonly known as NGAD. Unlike traditional fighter jets that focus mainly on speed, maneuverability, or firepower, the F-47 represents a complete shift in philosophy. It is not just a machine built for battle, it is an intelligent system designed for information superiority, networked warfare, and multi-domain dominance. The F-47 is being developed to replace the legendary F-22 Raptor. While the F-22 was once unmatched in air superiority, the rapid pace of technological advancement and the emergence of global competitors have made it essential to leap ahead. The F-47 is designed to operate in the most contested environments imaginable, where conventional aircraft would struggle to survive. From anti-aircraft missile zones to radar-dense battlefields, the F-47 is engineered to penetrate and operate where others cannot. One of the standout features of the F-47 is its stealth. This aircraft is expected to feature next-generation radar-absorbing materials, advanced heat signature suppression, and an angular airframe that dramatically reduces its visibility on radar. The aircraft will be nearly invisible to the most advanced detection systems, making it the ultimate tool for surprise, survival, and dominance in the air. But stealth is only one part of the story. The F-47 is also designed around artificial intelligence and real-time data fusion. It will serve as both a sensor and a command node, collecting information from satellites, drones, ground systems, and other aircraft, and analyzing that data instantly to support decisions in combat. With the help of AI, the pilot will receive real-time threat identification, targeting suggestions, and mission updates. In some cases, the system could even take autonomous actions to protect the pilot or complete objectives if communication is lost. A key component of the F-47's design is its ability to work in harmony with unmanned systems. The concept of loyal wingman is central to the NGAD vision. These are unmanned drones that will accompany the F-47 in combat, acting as scouts, decoys, weapons platforms, or electronic warfare specialists. Controlled by the F-47's pilot or by AI, these drones will significantly extend the aircraft's reach and capabilities, while keeping human pilots out of the most dangerous areas. The F-47 is also built with modularity in mind. In the past, aircraft were difficult and costly to upgrade once they were in service. The F-47 is different. It will be built so that new software, sensors, and weapons can be added or upgraded without rebuilding the airframe. This allows it to adapt quickly to emerging threats and technological breakthroughs, maintaining its edge for decades to come. Beyond its technological features, the F-47 plays a critical strategic role. As tensions rise in various parts of the world, particularly in the Indo-Pacific and Eastern Europe, the U.S. Air Force recognizes the need for a fighter jet that can ensure air dominance in any conflict scenario. The F-47 is designed to do just that. It will give American forces the ability to strike first, gather intelligence instantly, and control the skies with minimal risk to pilots. The program is being led by Boeing, with input from several defense contractors and specialized tech firms. Although the full capabilities of the F-47 remain classified, its existence has been confirmed, and prototypes are undergoing flight testing. The U.S. Air Force plans to field the F-47 by the early 2030s, with some components, such as loyal wingman drones, entering service even sooner. The F-47 also signals a change in how air power is viewed. It's no longer just about the aircraft itself, but about how it functions as part of a broader ecosystem. The F-47 will be at the heart of a connected force, sharing information instantly with ground units, command centers, and other aircraft, creating a synchronized battlefield network that responds faster than any adversary. What makes the F-47 truly revolutionary is not any one feature, but how all its components, stealth, AI, drone control, data fusion, and modular upgrades, come together to form a next-generation weapon system. It is designed not only to survive in future wars but to shape the outcome of those wars. It is more than a fighter, it is a force multiplier. As we move deeper into the 21st century, the threats the world faces will continue to evolve. The F-47 is the answer to those future challenges. It is a symbol of technological leadership, strategic foresight, and the relentless pursuit of air superiority. With its arrival, the skies will never be the same again.